Hello and welcome back to my workshop. So, little project today, well, over the next few days I think probably. I built a pallet slab or brick, call it what you like, basically pallet slats end on, glued them all together, really just as an experiment. I wanted to see what it would look like as a sort of tabletop type edge grain. So I'll insert a quick bit from my previous video of me cutting that in half, because basically it was the height of a pallet slat sideways on, which is about that tall, which is it was quite heavy. So I cut it in half, glued those two halves together, and this is what I've got. So here's my tabletop. So I now need to build some legs. I've got some large pallet cross beams, so I'm going to cut those up into small legs, and then I'm going to use pocket joinery to just build the table base. So here goes. Well, there we go. That's my first table that I've ever built, and I'm really pleased with it. Obviously I've got to finish the legs off. They're sanded to 80 grit. I'm going to sand those a bit more, sand off the pocket holes on the inside, and then treat this with the same varnish that I've treated the top. Now obviously that would have been much easier to do when the table was in pieces, but I was just too excited to get the table together. I've been dreaming about making this table for weeks, so ever since I put this pallet slab together, brick, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I was just too excited to do it in a logical fashion, but I will go back now and sand these a bit more, varnish them, and then we should be good to go. It's just a table for me. It's an experiment. So my first table. I hope I'm going to keep building tables now, and the hope being that as I practice more and more, you know, I've learned lots of things from this one, and I'll learn more and more as I go on. So if this inspires somebody out there who's thinking about building a table but just can't quite get up the guts to do it, which is basically what I've been putting this off for ages, thinking that I wouldn't be able to do it. So if it inspires one other person out there to try it and have a go, then it will have achieved what I wanted it to achieve. So go out there, build a table, have a go, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, get better, and most importantly, enjoy. So if you've got any questions or any comments, then please leave them in the section below. If you've got time to like the video, fantastic, thank you very much. And if you've got time to subscribe to the channel, even better. Slowly get my numbers up, makes it more worthwhile me doing it. So thank you very much to those who have subscribed so far, and to anybody who's liked any of my videos. And until next time, stay safe.